So a lot of y'all are already familiar with the MARC and SARA system. The MARC is the Modular Attached Rail Kit. The SARA is the Sordin arc rail adapters. These are systems that were developed so that you could mount a Sordin or MSA-based headset directly to the rails on your helmet. At the time, there were already factory Peltor systems for mounting directly to the helmet, but if you were issued or had already purchased Sordin or MSA-based headsets, you were kind of out of luck. So the MARC and SARA were initially developed for that, but the lightweight, low-profile nature of the MARC and SARA became something that was relatively sought after. So a lot of guys wanted to know, what if you had a non-Sordin MSA-based headset, such as Peltor or Howard Lights. In this video, we're going to show you how you can adapt the MARC and the SARA system to basically accept a non-MSA Sordin-based system. So let's say you got a set of Peltor Comtacs, military or law enforcement issue, or you got a set of off-the-shelf Peltor Sports or Howard Light Impacts, and you want to put them on a MARC system for your helmet. Basically, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. So here's a brand new set of MARCs in the package, and here's a brand new set of Howard Light Impacts. And Josh, what kind of tools are we going to need for that?
I'm going to start off with very carefully using your blade to cut the wire out of the headband and make sure not to cut the electronic wire with your blade. Once you have the wire cut out of the entire headband, make sure the wire is free. You'll want to remove the plastic arms from the ear cups before doing anything else. So very carefully snapping those off. If you just apply a little pressure, it should come right off. You should get left with something that looks a lot like this and this. So now, if we simply rotate these 45 degrees, they should come right off.
We'll take our set of MARCs. Now note, for Howard Light and Peltor style systems, you do not need the SARA adapters. We're going to do this strictly with the MARC.
Once we reinstall the plastic arms, we can then slide the MARC in. We're good to go. Obviously doing it to the second side as well. Once you have the MARCs installed on the Howard Light headset, you're now ready to install these on your helmet per the instructions on the back of the header card that came with the supplied packaging.